the most powerful mantras for abundance, money, and success. Mantras are powerful tools that can help focus the mind and attract positive energy into your life. Here are some of the best and strongest mantras for attracting abundance, money, and success. Om Shri Mahalakshmiye Namaha. This is a highly revered mantra dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi, the Hindu deity of wealth and prosperity. Chanting this mantra is believed to invoke her blessings and attract abundance and financial prosperity. Meaning, Om, the universal sound representing the beginning of everything. Shreem, the seed sound, Bija mantra, associated with wealth and abundance. Mahalakshmiye, to the great Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. Namaha, I bow to or I honor. How to use. Chant this mantra 1 or 8 times daily with focus and sincerity. Use a mala, prayer beads, to keep count and maintain concentration. Om Ganganapataya Namaha. This mantra is dedicated to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the deity of new beginnings. It is believed that chanting this mantra helps in overcoming financial obstacles and achieving success. Meaning, Om, the primal sound. Gan Ganapatai, to Ganesha, the leader of the Ganas, divine entities. Namaha, I bow to or I honor. How to use. Recite this mantra 108 times each morning to start your day with positivity and remove any obstacles in your path to success. Om Kleem Shreem Brazi Namaha. This is a powerful mantra that combines several seed sounds, Bija mantras, to attract wealth and success. It is especially popularized by Dr. Pillai, also known as Dattatreya Siva Baba, meaning the sound of the universe. Kleem, the seed sound for attraction and love. Shreem, the seed sound for wealth and abundance. Brazi, a powerful sound to eradicate scarcity consciousness. Namaha, I bow to or I honor. How to use. Chant this mantra 108 times daily with intention and focus. Visualize the wealth and success you desire as you chant. Lakshmi Gayatri Mantra. The Lakshmi Gayatri Mantra is another potent invocation for wealth and prosperity. It calls upon the energy of Goddess Lakshmi. Mantra. Om Mahalakshmiyai cha vidmahe Vishnu Patniyai cha dhimahi Tano Lakshmi prachodayat. Meaning, Om, the universal sound. Mahalakshmiyai cha vidmahe. We meditate upon the great goddess Lakshmi. Vishnu Patniyai cha dhimahi, the consort of Lord Vishnu. Tano Lakshmi prachodayat. May that goddess Lakshmi illuminate our intellect. How to use. Chant this mantra 108 times in the morning or evening. Focus on your financial goals and envision Goddess Lakshmi blessing you with abundance. Tips for effective mantra chanting. Consistency. Chant your chosen mantra regularly, preferably at the same time each day. Mindfulness. Be fully present and focused while chanting. Clear your mind of distractions. Visualization. Visualize your goals and desires clearly as you chant. Imagine yourself already in possession of the wealth and success you seek. Intention. Set a clear and positive intention before you begin chanting. Believe in the power of the mantra and your ability to attract abundance. Conclusion. Mantras are powerful tools for focusing your mind and attracting positive energy. By incorporating these mantras into your daily practice with sincerity and dedication, you can harness their power to manifest abundance, money, and success in your life. Choose the mantra that resonates most with you, practice it regularly, and watch as your dreams begin to manifest.